The right IT training can lift you out of the old world of $20 per hour menial job into the new Industry 4.0 world of $65 and above per hour IT job. Your connecting bridge is the same hands-on training that has landed hundreds of my trainees six-figure roles in the last 2 years as cloud server administrators, cloud operations engineers, DevOps engineers, cloud solutions architects, quality assurance engineers, and cloud support engineers. Come with me on this journey and I'll make you DevOps engineer in 5 months. Try the Linux server administration course for free and see for yourself how fun it could be to get to the top riding on the wings of my 29 years of IT experience. My name is Akin Aregbesola, your IT coach and mentor.